Welcome to my channel, How Lions Actually Hunt. Lions are the brutal killers of the animal kingdom. They're responsible for the deaths of hundreds of thousands of people every year. And believe it or not, there's actually one way that they hunt that is even more terrifying than that. When lions attack, they go for the throat, like this lioness did here. She literally just jumps out of nowhere and wraps her paws around this guy's neck. The power in those jaws is what really gets me. Just listen to that. But that's not all. Lions are actually really good at telling stories. Like this one. This lion was trying to tell his pride that he had killed a human. But the other lions were like, "Bro, we've heard this one before. You were probably just playing." So he took them to the river and showed them the body. Like, "Yo, guys, check this out. I actually killed a human this time." The other lions were like, "Oh dude, that's so crazy. Let's go tell everyone else." This next one is really messed up. A lion pride took down an elephant, but they didn't eat it. Instead, they let the vultures eat it. Why? Because they knew that there was a snake in the elephant's trunk that was poisonous. So they let the vultures take the risk. And when the vultures started dying, they took their revenge on the snake. That's cool.